So I've been rambling about it a bunch, and I start every video cast with the word "so," just to put it out there. This is Artisteer. Uh, yeah, it's exactly as I said it was. It's pretty awesome. So just click around a bunch of times, show you guys what it can do. It has this neat little suggest design ideas aspect where you just click the suggestion button on any of these. You see how these all across the top to modify any component of the theme. So, for example, if I said color themes, and then I hit the suggest colors. Oh, sorry, changed before. Because I'm jinging, it's running a little slower than normal. So there you go. You can see it's kicked out a random theme for me, styled all the components. If I scroll down, you can see some of the colors, the way things render. Here's the footer in that way. So it's a really easy tool to use to build stuff very quickly. Just an example, columns. Okay, so I have a one big one with two little tiny ones flanking it. So I'll change that to the left column only. You can see now I got a left column only. You can do suggested layout, which will keep this general look and feel, but then see just alters the layout aspect. Colors and fonts, you can do some neat things where it has some color palettes. So there you go. Now you got a totally different feel to it as compared to this Sahara one. So you can quickly run through those. The whole idea of this seems to be that you can just rapid prototype things out of nowhere. So, background, okay, it comes with some goofy background, so there's some little palm trees at the bottom. Here's a background that's patterned or textured in a way. You can, do all kinds of cool things with glares. It does a really good job with overlays on things. So I can change the image that's in the background, you can see there, and then I can give the background a gradient. We'll say go from light to dark. And now it's done that, and of course you can't see the top once I do that, so let's go from dark to light. I'm running through this, but part of it's just to demonstrate how fast you can do anything in this. So if you can even imagine how long just generating simple backgrounds might be for a typical web designer. The sheet, so we're talking about this middle area here. Let's see, radius. Let's put a 40 pixel radius on it, and you can see the edges of this just went conform to the radius. That is a ridiculously obnoxious thing to do in graphic design for the web, is adding curvy corners to things. There's all kinds of jQuery packages to do it. Change the border here. So I'm just going to run through. We'll make a nice little theme here, hopefully. More colors. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Oh, I didn't actually do it. Just set white. Purple. Put it in there. Oh, that's beautiful. Header. So you can pull in a header from a file if you want to. So I'll just do that real quick. I got one here somewhere. Logo. Is that right? Yeah. Okay, so this is the new logo that's going to be on the School of Visual Arts website. There you go. It's just real zoomed in. I can go to position. I can. You see how these options here, like all right, resize header to image, or resize image to header, kind of a thing. So see that, and you see, totally transformed it. I got my headline and information over here. I can say text block. I don't want a text block, and then that's gone. I have my headline and my slogan. I can either get rid of these or say, put that in position. All right, it's in place. Buttons. You can change the footer. I mean, you can change everything right down to the RSS button on here if you want to. And then exporting is really just clicking export and Drupal theme. And yes, I'd like to create that. So now I just went and kicked out that theme exactly as I just built it here, and it's 5 and 6 compliant.